Okay, Module 10 is all about climate change, and rather than looking at charts and maps for this skills test, we're actually going to be looking at a couple of interviews about climate change from some scientists. And so there's nothing to download apart from, you should link, and you probably will need to download a couple of Word files, or you can just preview them in the viewer. One is an interview with Gavin Schmidt, who wrote a book called Climate Change, Picturing the Science. I actually reviewed it for a magazine called Weatherwise when it came out several years ago. And Salon.com did an interview with him. And then the other article you'll be reading is with Roger Pilkey Sr., and it's an excerpt of an interview from Examiner.com. So these are just these are not scientific journals, Salon.com, Examiner.com. These are just general interest websites. And so the interviews are not scientific level or research level reading. So it's something that should be pretty accessible, but notice that there is some terminology, some vocabulary used in the interviews, particularly the one with Roger Pilkey, that you should have seen during our course. He'll mention about hydrological cycle and aerosols and greenhouse gases, and so pay attention to that as you're reading through these articles. But that's pretty much the entire assignment, is just to read through the articles and then answer some questions about each interview. I hope you enjoy it.